brown shirt, blue pants were on. Lay it down! Lay it down! Hands up! Don't move.
CFS received.
Where you at? North 3rd Street in Bearden. Four to 16, talk to us.
What's your name?
4 to 4. He's showing stopped on the map.
Morris
North 3rd
Rinehart.
Street
Got
in
an ID
Bearden.
on you? Got a license?
Yeah, what if I watch the county again? That's in the rail.
10-4, they've already been notified.
Yep.
16.
One. Go ahead, that's the same.
215.
Male 3rd at School Street. Next 10-11 for a mini bike. 10-4.
That's stupid, man. Come on, bro. You can't tell me you didn't try to take off right there. Right here at the end.
I'm gonna ring right back there.
Jack, do you underwear on?
Yeah. I ain't got nothing.
That's fine. Burn your bike up. We'll do all that. Come back here.
All units, notice clear. Time is 8:54. Florida, you advise you are 1015, correct? You advise you have the subject 1015, correct?
Yeah, I'm 1015. Next 1011.
10-4.
Man, I wouldn't try.
Spell your last name.
Rinehart.
First name?
Morris.
What?
Morris.
Morris.
Yes, sir.
2816, need more assistance.
No. What's your birthday?
April 20th,
Yeah, well,
1986.
then I came back for I had mine, if I can call myself.
10. 4 what?
April 28th, 87. And then, hey, I'm just saying, hey, just twist the throttle. And
Do what?
just twist the throttle on that bike.
Good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Had to throw my shoes on.
I turned around back there at First and Cedar. He come off.
Forward that 15.
Go ahead. He come up behind me on that Coleman
13,
200.
they're going to be 1019.
Warren, who did you say?
13.
Oh man, so far away. 2.
Go ahead.
Arkansas 924-582-604. 924-582-604. Mississippi.
10-4, you need a return.
Negative. This bike is going to be a custom painted Coleman 200 two-wheel motorcycle. I can't find a VIN number on this. It's spray painted all over.
No, it's in the front.
It's in the front?
Yes, sir.
That's what I thought. I looked. I can't see it.
Where I got that headlight at,
Uh-huh.
look behind that headlight right in there.
I did. It's all covered in paint.
I mean, I can read it to you, like it ain't stolen or nothing like
I got
that.
you.
This little project, kind of work out to you, you know what I mean?
Morris, where you living?
Just right across the track.
Right across the tracks.
Yes, sir. At 101
On
South
Locust?
Yes, sir.
What's the address?
101 South Locust.
101 South Locust.
When you come across the tracks right there at Napa, it's that first house you see on the corner.
You married?
Might as well be. We've been together 16 years.
What's your name?
Tanya Faye.
Who's Melissa?
That's my sister.
That's your sister. Y'all live together?
No, sir.
Y'all don't live together? Y'all got the same address?
Well, she just got her a trailer.
Okay. What year model's that bike, man?
Man, that I don't know. I traded a go-kart for it. I had a go-kart frame.
Call it a 2010. Hello. Yeah, this dude, I'm sitting down there on 1st Street. Just got done with that side-by-side. And this dude come up behind me on the Coleman 200 with a makeshift headlight, no tail light or nothing. And comes up behind me going down Cedar Street. I turn around on him. As I get on Cedar Street, he turns on the street beside the bank. I punch up there, hit the lights. He sees it, takes off, hard right onto another street, and then left turn. And we ended up down here at 3rd near school. And his throttle got stuck. He couldn't get it stopped, couldn't get it to do anything. Eventually just slowed it down enough, stopped in the middle of the road, couldn't get away. No, not on foot. I didn't get a chance to.
I wasn't going to run.
He says he wasn't trying to run. His throttle got stuck, but he had 2.5 other blocks to stop, and he was still going full speed. So, yeah, I think he was trying to make a turn. The throttle got stuck, and he couldn't get it going yet. So, I'm good. I'm 10-15 with him. Hey, y'all mind waiting on the record for me? All right, it's 010. It's going to be a little bit. Okay. All right, I'm going to get Nathan and wait for the record chief up here, and I'm going to take him on to Camden. Not yet. 10-4, I'll do that. All right, appreciate you.